Let's get Alabama students involved in marine biology and just so they can understand the science behind everything. And so we work with 21 different colleges and universities across the state of Alabama. Instead of building 21 different labs, let's just build one big lab that every student in all those colleges can use. Our classes are very, very hands-on. I like to say it's the 80-20 rule. You're going to spend 80% of your time out in the field doing your research. You're going to spend 20% of your time in class. You're going to be in class long enough to talk about what you're going to do outside of class.
My favorite part about being here is that we get so much hands-on, like so much interaction. Like we literally were talking about salt marshes yesterday and now we're going to walk into one. So like it's not just the information like regurgitating to you, it's like you get to go and see and touch everything.
This class definitely reminds me of Dr. Stanton's subtropical ecology, just going out in the field, salt marshes.
So far, I mean, going into salt marshes and the habitats, being able to actually go in and see what we're talking about, it's always fun, especially this one. Point of Pines is, I've been in a fair amount of salt marshes in my life, but Point of Pines is by far my favorite.
This definitely helps with like the hands-on type of education that I definitely wanted. And so I think just being here at the Sea Lab, getting my hands on, being able to experience myself and educate myself on these different types of things out here, I think it's really good.
We're in a marine vertebrate zoology as well, and we collected all these fish, and then we took the fish on Wednesday morning, so yesterday, and we went through all the fish we collected and we processed them. So we measured and we weighed and we had to identify them, and so we used all of the stuff from our lecture on how to identify fish to then go out and identify fish that we had caught.
At first I was like Will, I kind of like wanted to do sharks rays, that type of thing, but now that I'm taking like marine botany, I'm getting interested in plants more and more.
It's like getting backstage access to all these facilities and not just like going and looking, but like these are places that we could potentially work or have internships at or grad programs that we could apply for. So like getting those connections is also like a really big thing.
Here you actually get to go out and see it and you can be like, oh, like I know exactly what this is, or I've seen this before so I know what it is. I learn better with hands-on experience, so this like down here at Dauphin Island has really, really helped me. At UWA, for Dr. Stanton's class, we did like a subtropical class, and we've seen like all these birds before, but like now I'm like, okay, I've seen that before. I know the name of it. I have never had like hands-on like marine biology experience before, and so like I knew that I wanted to come down here and do that. Dr. Stanton told me, he's like, when you come down here, you're gonna figure out what you want to do because you're gonna get to do all kinds of different things that you've never done before.